Welcome to Saving Sweet William. Now my partner Joe and I have been renovating a house over in Greece for a couple of years now. We've focused a lot on the outdoor projects, and if you've seen our show before, you'll know that we're surrounded by olive groves. We're lucky enough to have a few olive trees ourselves, and we've got various other fruit trees. Now obviously they need pruning from time to time, and the problem that we've had so far is we've had to do it by hand. We haven't had any power tools over there to do the job for us, and as you can imagine, in the middle of summer it can get quite tiresome quite quickly, but all of that is about to change. Now our good friends at DongCheng Tools got in touch with us recently and asked us if we'd like to try out their 40-volt fuel brushless chainsaw, and obviously we jumped at the chance because we've used DongCheng tools in the past and we found them to be really sturdy, really reliable and really good value for money. So in this video we're going to put this chainsaw through its paces. We're going to unbox it, we're going to put it together, we're going to see what the build quality is like, and then we're going to test it out on some real life projects. Now one thing about DongCheng is they package things very well. These boxes are super sturdy. Right, so here we have the main body of the chainsaw itself, the chain guard. Here's the actual chain itself, an Oregon chain. Wow, and a pretty hefty charging block. Got some chainsaw oil, some lubricant. Okay, let's put this thing together. All right, let's start by opening this up. So I think it's a twin battery here. You have a battery on either side of the body right there. So I can imagine this thing's gonna have a heck of a lot of power to it. Isn't it amazing just how far battery technology has come in power tools? I mean, this thing is literally replacing a petrol engine, so it must have some power to it. What I gather is this is like an auto tensioner, so it holds the guide bar in place, and as you do it up, it makes the chain nice and tight once it's on the guide bar. So I'm going to go ahead and fit the guide bar to this. Once we have the tensioner on, what will happen is as we tighten it, the chain gets put on quite loose in the first place, and then what goes on inside as you tighten that wheel nut will be it starts getting pushed out further and further and further until we have the full tension. The chain's on, and now we're just going to tighten it to get some tension into the chain. Take the guard off. Yeah. Make sure that we're moving. So it's as simple as that. That's literally all it takes to put this thing together. So changing the blade is going to be nice and easy as well. Yeah, really nice product. All right, I'll show you what's around this side now. Here we have the oil filler cap and the oil reservoir. So obviously you would fill it up when it's on its side. And here you have the inspection window. So you can see how much oil is left in the chainsaw without needing to unscrew the cap every time. We've got the brake here, on and off, side handle, top handle. Here we have an on-off button which you need to depress with your thumb before this trigger will be activated. So you shouldn't be able to set the chainsaw off by accident. You can't, I mean it moves a tiny bit, but you can't pull that trigger in until you depress the on-off button with your thumb. Battery packs go in here, and that's pretty much it. It's so simple, there's not really that much to it. So let's hold it up to what it feels like. I believe this weighs 3.4 kilos without the battery pack in it, so it shouldn't be too difficult for anybody to pick up. Should be able to use it for as long as the batteries last, I imagine, without too much stress on your shoulders. So the batteries are still on red. It's been about 25 minutes now, so I guess they need a bit longer. I'll let you know how long exactly they take to charge once they're fully charged, but we're just going to wait for those before we get cracking with some jobs. But yeah, first impressions, another DongCheng classic, I think. This is a pretty cool little tool. Looking forward to using it. All right, it's time to test out the DongCheng chainsaw. Now in Greece, we've got a whole bunch of olive trees and fruit trees, which we're going to be using the DongCheng for in due time, but now we're in the UK, so we're going to test it out on our old apple tree here. So we're just going to try and remove some branches and hopefully it does the job well. So we've topped it up with the oil, and now we're just going to get it going. So all you do, take the brake off, you've got the on-off button here, and then the trigger button, and then the chain should start spinning. So now we've got a branch here that's around 1.5 inches thick. Let's see how it deals with that. Wow. That's pretty good. I mean, that was instant. As you can see, it's no effort at all. There's no noise really. I mean, not compared to a petrol chainsaw anyway. And it's just ripping through these branches so easily. It's really cool. So now that we know that this DongCheng chainsaw can easily trim trees and get through branches, let's try it out on some logs. We've got these logs that we're cutting up for firewood at the moment. This one's around 10 inches by 12 inches. Let's just see how we get on cutting this in half. Well, as you can see, absolutely no trouble getting through that log. So, you know, you can tackle the small jobs and you can tackle the slightly bigger jobs with this chainsaw. Let's move on to another tree. All right, we're going to move on to the next tree now. This one suffered some fire damage when we had a big bonfire here one year. So what do we think of the DongCheng 40 volt brushless chainsaw? Well, I think it represents excellent value for money once again. It has enough power to carry out plenty of garden maintenance jobs. It's much quieter than a petrol equivalent, so you should be able to keep your ears and your neighbours happy. The batteries charge back to full in less than an hour, and it has excellent build quality. Tough enough to handle big jobs and light enough to keep your shoulders satisfied. This product is available on Amazon right now. Honestly, you'll be hard pressed to find a better piece of kit for the same price. Check them out if you're in the market for a new chainsaw.